Are you tired of manually entering credit card transactions in Zoho Books? Learn how to add a credit card account in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up your credit card account, from opening Zoho Books to saving the details. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Go to the banking section from the left sidebar. Click Add Bank or Credit Card to begin setting up a new account. In the pop-up, click Add Account. Select Credit Card as the account type. Type the account name, like Company Visa. Enter the account code, a unique identifier for this account. Click the Currency drop-down and choose PHP. Type the account number exactly as on your statement. Enter the bank identifier code, often called the BIC or SWIFT code. Add a description if you'd like, to help remember what this card is for. Once everything is filled in, click Save to finish adding your credit card account. That's it, you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.